In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add users to your Google Analytics account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you will land on the Analytics home screen. This is the main starting point where you can see your reports and recent activity. Before you make changes to Access, make sure you are in the correct Analytics account, especially if you manage more than one. Access changes apply to the account you are currently viewing. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and click Admin. This takes you to the area where you control settings, access, and permissions. Admin is where you manage who can view or edit data, so it is the right place to add teammates, agencies, or other stakeholders. Inside the admin section, find and select Account Access Management. This opens the user management page for the account level. Account level access can affect everything under that account, so take a moment to confirm you are making changes in the correct place. If you only need someone to access a specific property, you would manage that at the property level. But for this walkthrough, we are staying at the Account Access Management screen. On the Account Access Management page, click Add. This opens the options for inviting new people. Then click Add Users to begin the process of granting access. At this point, you will see areas to enter the user details and choose permissions. Click into the highlighted field where you add the user and enter the person's Google-associated email address. Be careful to type it correctly because access will be granted to exactly what you enter. Then move to the highlighted permission area and select the appropriate access level. Choose the minimum access the user needs to do their work. This helps keep your analytics data protected and reduces the risk of accidental changes. When everything looks correct, click Add to confirm. Google Analytics will then grant access based on the permissions you selected, and the user will appear in the list of people who can access the account. And that is all there is to it.